Hi, in this video we'd like to focus on the topic of the health of this patient after she experienced a miscarriage. So what are some things that she needs to keep in mind and help in the process of your next pregnancy? Because at the end of the day, we want you to have a successful pregnancy despite this miscarriage. So first step is that after you have gone for the D&C procedure to remove all pregnancy tissues, then you will need to actually take some time to recover. We call this physical recovery for the uterus, ovaries, all of these organs to actually take some time to replenish and recover. And you may actually experience vaginal bleeding up to 2 to 3 weeks after the procedure. So take as long as you need, as long as you're fully ready. But in general, for some patients, it can be very quickly. And how quick can it be is that after one full menstrual cycle, you can already begin trying for your next one. But generally, we recommend a healthy number, which is 1 to 3 months of physical recovery before considering for the next pregnancy. The second part is one of the most important parts, which is emotional recovery, because of how traumatizing miscarriage can be, especially for your first miscarriage. For many couples, including the partner as well, most of them are mentally affected and traumatized. Even if they don't show their emotions on their face, this is indeed a very heavy blow, very devastating blow, and it may take even longer than 1 to 3 months for some patients to actually be fully mentally ready for the next step. So take as long as you need. Consider therapy, counseling, and also keep in touch with your doctor, and also other mothers that are also going through the same thing can help you, give you some support, and help you recover as well. The third step before going for your next pregnancy is treatment. Now here at Antai Hospital, we put a heavy emphasis on receiving diagnosis and treatment after a miscarriage. So please do not go for your next pregnancy blindly. Now, contrary to what your doctor might say, is that even if you've miscarried this time, the next pregnancy normally will succeed. Now, this is what they say. They say usually will succeed, normally will succeed, and then you listen to their advice, you miscarry again. And this happens 2 to 3 times. What your doctor says is that next, just go for IVF. IVF is going to waste more of your time, more of your money, with the same results. So at the end of the day, the doctors don't really care about their patients or what they are actually physically and mentally going through. It puts a heavy toll on these young couples who are trying to conceive. So take our advice, receive proper diagnosis and treatment, because you don't have to go for IVF. You don't have to straight away jump into your next pregnancy, because most likely if you haven't dealt with the underlying cause, it will repeat again. And especially for those who are in their first or second miscarriage, the underlying cause is usually very simple in nature and can be diagnosed and treated effectively. Antai Hospital has been doing this for over 25 years. We offer a full refund guarantee because we've always been very successful in preventing miscarriages and securing healthy full-term pregnancies for patients. So we cannot put any more emphasis on this. Do not straight away go into your next pregnancy. After your first miscarriage or a miscarriage, take some time to recover, receive treatment immediately. After all 3 steps are conducted, then we can go for the final step, which is planning for the next pregnancy. This step is when usually you already have the green light from your doctor. You and your partner may need to do some planning on when you want to begin to conceive. Talk to your doctor, go for another full checkup, diagnosis, make sure everything should be a green light. There will be no problems with the ovaries, no problem with the implantations in the endometrium. Everything is sound and well. Then the chances of a successful pregnancy is very, very high. And then you should go for begin conceiving, and also at the same time you can receive medical attention from your trusted doctors and also support groups. If you follow these 4 steps, your next pregnancy will have a very high chance of success, and your dreams of having a family can be a reality. Antai Hospital specializes in these types of diagnosis and treatment. If you'd like to receive more information or you'd like to talk to our doctors, please arrange an online consultation via our website, and also do leave me a comment down below.